Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put wipe transition effect in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to click transition menu. Then choose wipe transition. Now you can see here are wipe transition. Now we can add our transition sound. Like click sounds drop down menu and choose a sound. You can increase duration or decrease duration, what you want. I increase this duration. Now we apply to all this transition, all slide this transition. Now we check this transition in slideshow option. Click this slideshow option and now you can check this wipe transition. You can see I put wipe transition effect in PowerPoint very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.